Hi friends, this is Fine Mr. YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can turn on Talkback, that is activate Talkback in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. Talkback will be useful for people who are low vision or blind. So here I would like to share instructions on how to activate this Talkback. Just go to the settings of a phone here and select accessibility, and here select Talkback and just turn on the button against this off and give all permissions, and Talkback will be activated now.
Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback.
So Talkback is activated, and if you want to use it,
611,126.
just for example, if you would like to go to the home screen, just you go to
navigation bar, home,
tap here and double tap on it. Double tap to activate.
Weather, double tap and drag.
If you want to open Google Play Store, just double tap on the Google Play Store.
Current location. Your current location will be collect. Agree button.
Just you go to double tap on the menu and then it will be activated. If you tap on any icon, then instruction will come according to the instruction. You can hear the voice and then you can understand what is the icon. Then you can just double tap on it. For example, if you want to go to dialer, then if you have low vision, then you cannot get the exact location of the dialer. Just you can randomly select anyone, and if it is a dialer, then it will automatically instruction will come from your phone. For example, here I am showing.
Device unlock. Phone out of pager. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press actions available.
Yes.
Use tap with
Now I have correctly picked up. If you are wrongly picked up, then you can move on and select pick up anyone, and according to the instruction you can just pick up whatever you want. Then if you want to activate it, just double tap on it, and if you want to open the settings, then you go to swipe with double fingers, swipe down like this, and you can go to the settings area and notification area. So you can easily use navigation too, using this swiping down with 2 fingers. So in this way you can easily activate 100 mode and you can use it for the purpose. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.